Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 7 Days to Die. First, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, which typically include 8 GB of RAM and a modern processor. Next, we will cover the essential steps for installing the game files correctly. We will then explore how to connect with friends for multiplayer fun, and finally, discuss common troubleshooting tips to keep your game running smoothly. Let's get started. Once you have the game files, the first step is to extract them into a dedicated folder on your hard drive. Avoid installing into system folders like program files. After extraction, locate the main executable file, usually named 7 Days to Die, EXE, and run it to start the game. Take a moment to adjust your graphics and audio settings for the best experience. Remember to save your preferences before diving into the apocalypse. Playing with friends adds a whole new dimension to 7 Days to Die. You can connect to a friend's game directly by entering their IP address in the multiplayer menu. Alternatively, explore various community servers for a more public experience. It is crucial that all players are running the exact same game version to avoid connection issues. For private sessions, consider using a virtual local area network tool to simplify the process. Even the most seasoned survivors encounter issues. If you experience crashes or freezes, try updating your graphics drivers or verifying game file integrity. Maintaining a consistent game version with your friends is vital for seamless multiplayer. For persistent problems, online forums and communities are excellent resources for solutions. Always remember to back up your save files frequently. Losing progress in the wasteland is truly devastating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.